Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to be taking a look at these solder seal wire connectors. This particular brand, BAMA, I picked up off Amazon. It came with the heat gun and 120 pieces, all for $36 I believe. I'll post a link in the video description for those of you interested. I first saw these on Instagram. It was like an Instagram advertisement. I was a little skeptical. I thought, well, you know, I'm going to need some waterproof connectors on an upcoming project, so I thought, let's give them a try. Alright, so let me get set up. I've got a couple of pieces of 14 gauge wire here. This connector here is a blue and it's for 6 to 14 gauge. So we're going to kind of check it out and see. It looks kind of big to me, but we'll just have to see. Yeah, does it say on there what size? Yeah, 16 gauge, sorry, 16 gauge. So this is supposed to be from 16 to 14 gauge. So we'll give it a try. The idea is to push these two together and kind of mesh them together right there under the solder. So let me see if I can kind of get set up and we'll give it a try. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide this over like so, and then we'll try to kind of mesh these together. Now it might be tighter, but this one's fairly loose. This blue connector is fairly loose on this 16 gauge wire. Get it in the center there, like so. I'm going to try to clamp this for the video so I can help get it centered up. There we go. Let's try the heat gun. Try not to burn anything, especially my table here. Turn it on, let it get hot. Looks like it moves pretty quick. Alright, well, oh, look at that. It's got a nice flat bottom, so it kind of stands up. You can you don't really need to have a set of third hands. I think you can just hold it over it maybe. Well, so let's take a look and see. Probably take a couple of times to kind of figure it out. I can do a continuity check here. I did not strip the ends of this, but we can check it hopefully. Here, little camera moving around. Alright, well, after it dries, it kind of gets kind of hard, but you can tell the rubber is still flexible. The solder joint there is really nice. It seems pretty strong. I don't know that I could pull it apart with my hands. Yeah, I think they work. I believe the little blue, red, yellow, white, I think that's some kind of sealant or something. You can see it kind of spreads out around there, so I think that's kind of to help keep it sealed. And then of course the heat shrink on both sides. The solder band in there, it's really hard, but it melts really easy, and once it dries it hardens up real nice. I think it's going to provide a really good connection, And so I'll be using these on upcoming projects. This would also be good for automotive applications. You know, you always see these little advertisements, these little pop-up ads on Instagram, etc. I ran across these on Amazon and I thought, why not give them a try and maybe answer any questions you guys might have. So, having said that, please feel free to ask questions, make suggestions, or leave comments. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you're interested in these BAMA solder seal wire connectors, waterproof, comes with a heat shrink gun and 120 piece connector kit for $36 on Amazon. I'll post a link in the video description. You can stop by and pick some up. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and most importantly, be safe.